Hi everyone, myself Suresh. So we are here in the 4PAX meeting room. So this meeting room is like we have a display, 43-inch display installed here, and the Jabra Panacast 50 UC application. This thing, camera with the speaker. This, and we have a cable cubby with HDMI and USB interface for the laptop. So once we enter the room, just connect the cable provided here, so that the display turns on automatically with the laptop presentation shown on the display. So now the display is turning on. It's as easy as just plugging a cable and your presentation is ready to view on the screen. So you can start your presentation along with audio and video. So once your presentation is just done, you can remove the cable so the display goes off automatically. So if you want to use the UC application for a collaboration or video conferencing, open up the Teams app or any UC application app and select the appropriate audio, video and your speaker microphone devices in the app and start making the calls. Collaborate with your team, communicate with your teams, share the thoughts, and you can disconnect the call later. So I'm just unplugging the cable, your display will turn off. Thank you.